It's Wave Sheaf Day. It's Sunday morning, March 20th. And we've seen a whole bunch of storks in here. We just pulled off the road real quick to come and see them. So there's hundreds of them back in here. And we noticed all the barley. There's lots of barley. There's still lots of it green. But on our way out, now this is all stony ground. And I've heard that some people won't count it as an acceptable field because it's stony ground. Okay. My father Yehovah planted this field. My father Yehovah raised up this barley. My father Yehovah made this barley available for somebody. Now you may not accept it because it's too stony to work the ground. That's your problem, but Yehovah planted it. The storks are here. The storks know the Moedim. My people don't know the Moedim. So we're just on the way out. Just, you know, it's not, the field ain't quite ready, but I seen this piece here and it's already shattering. Like, it just, there's nothing left to it. And there's a big old seed right there. Right? So I know some people won't accept this, but my father planted it. And with that, yeah, this is still probably, for the majority of it, you're going to go by the whole thing too early. It's a month of the green ears, which is what I see here. So I'm just showing you. I wish I could be back here in 30 days when a lot of other people will be keeping it. This might not be here. Just saying. What do I know? Look, 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 look. Big fat old barley. Aksamek, everyone.